How to reset Spotify settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. Now you need to scroll down or you can just search for the app in the search bar. So I'm just going to scroll and find the application of Spotify. Tap on that, and here you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on that, then tap on clear cache. Okay, then tap on clear all data, and you can also select and delete all data. It will delete all of your files from Spotify. Next, what we can do is we're gonna go to the Play Store application and make sure that Spotify application on our device is updated to its latest version. So just search for Spotify and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. Now since my app does not have the option of update, I'm assuming that it has been updated and it is the latest version of the application. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the power button and then tap on reboot, and rebooting your device can also solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.